Dear students, here I explained about the structure of heart in detail. Observe the video completely from first to last and you can definitely understand the concept of the heart. In this video you will get 3 parts of the explanation about the heart. Definitely you will understand the topic.
Okay, now we are discussing about the heart, children. Heart is made up of muscles. Okay, it is a muscular organ. Muscular means made up of muscles only, children. Okay, which type of muscles are present in the heart? You learnt in your 5th standard. Cardiac muscles are present in the heart. Okay, it is a hollow structure and it looks like our fist only. Left hand fist. This is called as fist, children. So, the size of fist, how much it is in your hand, so that only it located in our chest region, little bit slightly in the left side, in between the 2 lungs. Heart is located in the chest cavity. And who is protecting this heart? Rib cage. Rib bones are protecting the rib cage, or rib bones are protecting the heart. Okay, and this is the structure of heart, children. And it is in the middle left side of the chest, and it is, what is the function of heart, children? It is continuously pumping the blood. What is the function of heart, children? It is continuously pumping the blood. So after some time, if we work morning to evening or morning to night, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, if we work, after that what we'll do? Yes, morning onwards I am doing the work, I will take some time rest, I can't do anything more, like that we will say. But and we will go for the rest. But our heart is not taking like that rest, children. From birth to death, it is continuously pumping the blood. Suppose if it wants to take, I am doing so much work, I will also take rest, like that. If it thinks and if it is not pumping the blood, immediately we will die, children. So heart is continuously, this is a heart means continuous relaxations, contraction, relaxation, contraction. Through that it is pumping the blood, children. Okay, heart is a muscular structure, and it is divided into a muscular wall called septum. This particular part is known as septum. What is it, children? Septum. This septum means nothing but a wall-like structure. This septum is dividing the heart into 2 parts. Okay, left part, right part. Like that it is dividing. Septum is dividing the heart into 2 parts, that is left part and right part. Okay, and in between this some valve-like structures are located here. These valves are dividing the heart into upper part, lower part, upper part, lower part. Okay, so heart is consisting of how many chambers, children? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 chambers. How many chambers are present in our heart, children? 4 chambers are present in our heart. What are those? 2 chambers are upper chambers, 2 chambers are lower chambers. Okay, upper 2 chambers are named as auricles. Upper 2 chambers are called as auricles or atria. Auricles are atria. And the lower 2 chambers are called as ventricles, children. Ventricles. Okay, septum is dividing the heart into lengthwise. Septum is dividing the heart lengthwise, children. Left side, right side. And the valves which are located here, these are dividing the heart into upper chambers, lower chambers. So upper 2 chambers are called as, see this one, this one. See, this is left side and this is right side now. Like that only, this is left and this is right. So upper 2 chambers are called as auricles. Auricles. LA means what, children? Left auricle. RA means what? Right auricle. Like that only, left ventricle, right ventricle. So how many chambers are present in our heart, children? 4 chambers are present in our heart. What are those? Upper two chambers are called as auricles or atria, and lower two chambers are called as ventricles. And upper two chambers, auricles or atria, are divided as left auricle, right auricle. And the lower two chambers are divided as left ventricle, right ventricle, children. Okay. Next, when heart muscles contract, they squeeze the blood through the atria and then through the ventricles, like this, children. So always the flow of blood, if we observe, it will come like this. So this is the left auricle and this is left ventricle. Just I am again labeling the parts for your better understanding. And this is called as right ventricle and this is called as right auricle. Right auricle. Okay, now see, always the blood will flow from auricles to ventricles only. Here also, from left auricle to left ventricle, right auricle to right ventricle. So always the blood flows from auricles to ventricles only. It won't go in the backward direction. See, it will not move from ventricles to auricles. Always the blood will flow from auricles to ventricles only. Okay, like that only. Here see, arrows I wrote now, auricle to ventricle. And observe it carefully, children. This part is blue in color. This part is red in color. Why I drew like that? Because see, red indicates that oxygenated blood, means pure blood is present in the left side of our heart. Pure blood means what, children? Oxygenated blood means the blood is containing more amount of oxygen. That is called as pure blood. So always the pure blood is present in the left side of our heart. And this is blue in color. Blue in color means oxygen percentage is very less, children. Means carbon dioxide containing blood, it is blue in color. That is also known as deoxygenated blood. Deoxygenated blood or carbon dioxide rich blood is blue in color. So always the right side of the heart is consisting of deoxygenated blood or carbon dioxide containing blood, children. Observe it carefully. Again I am saying, left side always pure blood will be. Pure blood means oxygenated blood. And the right side of the heart is consisting of impure blood. Impure blood means deoxygenated blood or carbon dioxide rich blood, children. Means in this blood what percentage is more? Carbon dioxide percentage is more. So always from the body parts, this blue color vessels are there, no? These blue color vessels are collecting the impure blood. Impure blood means what I said, children? Deoxygenated blood. Deoxygenated blood means what percentage is more? Carbon dioxide percentage is more in this blood. So these body parts are giving this deoxygenated blood and these blood vessels are collecting that